Barcenas, file number 24-53457-DE.
Court's been asked to allow an estate on behalf of Mr. Barcenas. May I have the names of our participants, please?
Good morning, Jennifer Fracassi on behalf of the petitioner, Feliciana Lopez.
Okay, could you either introduce your client or ask her to introduce herself, please?
Yes. Good morning, Mark. Is she with you?
No, she's with Rosa.
Okay, I just talked to Rosa and she said that they were waiting on Zoom.
Okay, well, I'm on Zoom,
Yeah.
but I'm in Savannah, Georgia. She is in Mexico City, and Rosa's in McAllen, Texas. So
Okay.
she had told me that.
Okay, sir, can you give me your name for the record, please? We're on record.
I'm sorry, Mark Cantu. I am a paralegal that works for the law office of Dale Kososki.
Good morning.
Right. Can you spell that name, please?
Yeah, Mark, M-A-R-K, Cantu, C-A-N-T-U, and I believe Rosa's on the Zoom already.
Yes.
Yes. What I asked you to, the name I was asking you to spell was the name of the law firm that you said you worked for.
Oh yeah, Dale, D-A-L-E, Kososki is K-A-S-O-F-S-K-Y.
Thank you. Okay, and I know there was someone coming in from an iPhone who wanted to introduce herself. Go ahead.
My name is Rosa Gomez, R-O-S-A-G-O-M-E-Z, and I'm the legal assistant for the law office of Dale Kososki.
How do you spell your last name?
G-O-M-E-Z.
Thank you. All right, if you could, if you need to get on Zoom in the future, it's great if you can put your name on the bottom of the screen.
Sure.
Great, I did it for you today. All right, we do have Feliciana Rosas logged in. Can you hear us okay? And can you also confirm if that's who's actually logged in?
Rosa, can you confirm that the lady's on the line in Spanish?
Rosas. Feliciana López Rosas.
Thank you. Okay, we have an iPhone, Emmanuel M. Could you introduce yourself, please?
Emmanuel Machorro. Make sure.
My name is Emmanuel Machorro Armas.
Okay. All right, Mr. Cantu, is he with you?
Yes, he's with me.
Okay, so his name, we're gonna need his name spelled for the record.
Emmanuel is E-M-M-A-N-U-E-L, Emmanuel. Machorro is M-A-C-H-O-R-R-O.
Okay. All right, well, Ms. Fracassi, it looks like you filed this petition, so you may proceed at will.
Yes, thank you, Your Honor. This is a petition for probate. The decedent, Moises Aguilera, was a resident of Lenawee County. He passed away on April 5th, 2024. He did not have a will. All parties have been served. There are no objections that have been filed, and the notice of hearing was published in the appropriate legal news in Lenawee County. The decedent had a surviving spouse who is on the Zoom call, Feliciana Lopez. I can take testimony. She does need a bit of assistance with English. Rosa Gomez can assist with that if you would like me to take testimony this morning.
What are the anticipated assets of the estate for distribution?
There's an insurance settlement check payable to the estate.
Okay, are there any other contesting parties laying claim to that potential asset?
No.
And that's the only asset?
Correct.
Okay. It's up to you. If you want to take testimony, it doesn't matter to me.
Okay, no, I don't need to.
Very well. All right, the file was prepared indicating that Moises Barcenas did pass away on April 5th, 2024, a resident of Lenawee County, making venue appropriate in this court. Their publication has occurred as well as notice to all interested parties. The fact that Mr. Barcenas passed away without a will and that he has his surviving spouse is uncontested as well. It will not require supervised administration at this time or a bond. And it will be the order of the court. The petition is granted with the findings as articulated by the court on record. Feliciana Lopez is appointed the personal representative. And I have signed that order as well as the letters of authority. Thank you everyone for taking the time to join us today. And I'm sorry for your loss.
Great. Thank you, Your Honor. We
Thank you,
appreciate
Your
it.
Honor.
All right, let's go back to Deborah Bramer. So come on up to our council table.
Your Honor, I was in the back room with the coffee. Oh, I know.
Well, it's time to go. All right, I was already able to identify for Ms. Foote that we need a proof of service in this file and to look for the guardian ad litem waiver as well. So I'll look forward to those updates. Are we on record for this one?
Yes.
Perfect. All right, your names, please.
Barb Foote,
Michael
guardian.
Michael McFarland, attorney, guardian ad litem.
Very good. All right, Deputy Ames, would you swear in Ms. Barb Foote?
You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Ms. Foote, is all of the information contained in your accounting truthful, accurate, and complete to the best of your knowledge and information?
Yes.
Did you accomplish proof of service in this file?
Yes.
Very good. Deputy Ames, would you mind passing that up to me?
Still on the screen.
Thank you for coming, Mr. Rosas. You're all set for today. All right, so the record should reflect, I do have service to the Attorney General. Are there any other interested parties, Ms. Foote?
No.
Well, that piece is complete. Let's go to Mr. McFarland.
Bailiff, if I can have you go to the court with this? I'm told the waiver's not in the file.
That's correct.
I filed it December 4th. There's a copy that we sent through inter-office mail, Your Honor. So I have no idea where it goes after we put it in inter-office mail. So,
Okay. So are you telling me you have no objections?
I have no objection, Your Honor. Right. If you want me to sign another one, I can, or I can send them a copy of this. But yeah, it was quite some time ago.
I'll leave that to you to deal with the clerk's office on their preference for the file. If you don't
Will
mind.
do. Across the hall.
Very good. All right, it looks like it's in the 8th and final accounting, Ms. Foote. Are there assets to be transferred to the estate?
There are, but nobody's doing anything about it.
Okay,
She has money in the bank and it's just sitting there.
well, there is a requirement that our conservative transfer assets over into an estate. So do you have any thoughts on how to accomplish that?
Nope. Nobody's ever said anything about doing that to me.
All right, would you like some time to investigate that?
Yes, please.
All right. Right now, we have a requirement in the proposed order to allow you until February 22nd to figure that out. Do you need more time than that? Option B is if you do need more time, just
Okay,
file a formal request and we'll be happy to give you a little more time.
okay. I'll figure out how to do that.
Okay, all right. Anything else then for the record?
Nope, that's all, thanks.
Mr. McFarland?
Well, thank you.
Very well. The court finds all interested parties were given notice for purposes of the 8th and final accounting in this case. As articulated on record, there will be some time to transfer those assets to an estate or otherwise distribute them so that the conservatorship can be closed. But for today, the 8th and final accounting is appropriate and does appear to be, well, it is approved according to the court's order that I just signed. You're welcome to step across the hall to begin your investigation.
Do that.
And thank you for coming in.
Oh, you're welcome, not a problem.
The court found the waiver on the Slater account, Your Honor.
One moment. Mr. McFarland.
How much is in the bank?
Those are over.
You got any notes or anything to?
No, no, it's not.
Okay, small
No.
mistake.
So I don't know.
Okay, I'll call us whenever you're ready on that. So,
Oh, yeah, okay.
Matter of Sean Slater, file number 03-44294 DD.
all right. Court's going to have to approve the second, third, and fourth annual accounting of this file. Mr. McFarland, would you like to make your appearance for the record?
Michael McFarland, attorney, guardian ad litem.
Oh, Ms. Foot, you're on this one as well.
I'm on this one as well. I didn't have the paperwork for this one.
Oh, come on down.
I'm coming on down.
All right, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Is all the information contained in your accounting is truthful, accurate, and complete to the best of your knowledge and information?
Yes,
Very good. It does appear, Mr. McFarland, you've signed a waiver on the second and third annual accountings. It's the fourth annual accounting that remains a question.
Well, once again, Your Honor, I have a copy of this. It is dated December 3rd also. Right here. So I have no idea what happened to it, but
Very well.
I billed for it, been paid. Inter-office mail, I'll go across the hall on this one too.
Thank you, I appreciate that. So is it, would you confirm for me then that you have no objections to that last accounting?
Yes, I signed the waiver and consent. I had no objections.
Very good. Well, the court finds all interested parties were given notice for purposes of today's hearing. It has appeared the second, third, and fourth annual accountings are correct and ought to be allowed. Ms. Foot has confirmed that for us, and I am signing to approve those this time.
Your Honor, actually, if I might, I have it filed stamped with Dawn Fisher, December 3rd of 2024.
Okay.
So let me take a look at the other one. I may have a file stamp at the bottom of that one too.
Well, Mr. McFarland, I'm so hoping that you'll take that up directly with the court.